Did you know that every time you drive, you're relying on an innovation that's been evolving for over a century? From simple wooden wheels to today's high-tech tires, the journey has been long, all for your safety. In this video, Get That Process will dive into the surprisingly complex world behind making something as everyday as a tire. Let's uncover the process. Long ago, wheels were made from wood or solid metal. A major breakthrough came in the early 1900s with the invention of air-filled rubber tires. Compared to the rigid wheels of the past, modern tires offer superior grip and safety, thanks to their advanced tread designs. Today's tires are crafted from a blend of 10 to 15 materials, like natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, and chemical additives. Carbon black strengthens them against heat and friction, ensuring durability and performance. The process starts with massive mixers combining all ingredients into a rubbery mass. This mixture is flattened into thin sheets using huge rollers, setting the foundation for a strong tire. Thin sheets of rubber are combined with polyester fabric through calendering. This creates tough layers that help the tire withstand pressure and maintain its shape. Next, cords made of cotton or nylon are added at specific angles into the rubber layers. These not only reinforce the tire's shape, but also allow trapped air to escape during heating, preventing defects. Tread rubber is made by blending 3 types of rubber and extruding them into shape. Colored lines on the tread aren't just for looks. They're material codes, indicating different performance properties like traction and wear resistance. The bead, made from steel wires encased in rubber, locks the tire firmly onto the wheel. It's crucial for handling forces during sharp turns and high speeds. All parts, from inner liners to beads and treads, are assembled on a building drum. Each layer is carefully added to ensure perfect balance and driving comfort. The green tire is placed inside a mold where hot steam expands it, pressing it against the mold walls to form the tread pattern and to cure the rubber. This short but critical process defines the tire's final strength and flexibility. Vulcanization chemically bonds the rubber molecules under heat and pressure, making the tire heat-resistant, flexible, and durable. Without it, tires would melt or crack under extreme conditions. After vulcanization, extra rubber is trimmed away, and each tire undergoes strict inspection with sensors and defect detectors. Balance and pressure tests ensure every tire meets high safety and durability standards. Now the tires are ready to roll out across the world. Each tire represents a blend of science, technology, and precision. Fun fact: one tire can involve over 200 materials and go through more than 100 production steps. And that's the journey from raw materials to the tires we rely on every day. Tires aren't just car parts. They're a product of high-end technology and ongoing innovation. Every time you drive, you're experiencing the incredible precision behind their creation. Thanks for joining Get That Process today. See you in the next video.